Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 13. This is Problem-Solving Investigations. So we're going to learn a strategy. This is determine extra or missing information. Kayla was collecting book orders. The cost of each book is $3. There were 7 orders on Wednesday, 5 orders on Thursday, and more orders on Friday and Monday. How many book orders were collected altogether? Number 1. Understand. What facts do we know? I know the cost of a book is $3 and the number of book orders on Wednesday was 7 and Thursday was 5. What do I need to find? I need to find the total number of book orders. Because based off my problem, book orders is just how many book orders were collected. So that's what we're looking for. Plan. Determine if there is extra or missing information. So we know the cost of a book is not needed. The number of book orders that were collected on Friday and Monday is missing. So if we look back at the question, it says, how many book orders were collected altogether? So this is just asking for book orders. So really, if we take a look at the cost, that's extra information that's not going to help us solve our problem. And for the missing information, it says, and more orders on Friday and Monday. We have no idea how many orders were on Friday and Monday. So that's where that's going to be the missing information. So we're going to say, I'm going to mark this as extra. So this is extra information. And we're going to mark this sentence as missing. And it even says missing right here. So solve. So some information is missing. So I cannot solve the problem. Is my reason reasonable? Explain. Yeah, so since I have information missing, I cannot solve. So now we're going to practice the strategy. It says, Rocco is slicing a loaf of Italian bread for dinner. The bread cost $4. He cuts the loaf into slices that are 1 inch thick. If the loaf is 18 inches long, how many pieces of bread did he cut? What facts do we know? So we know it costs $4. And it is 1 inch slices. And the loaf is 18 inches long. What do we need to find? It says, so that's what's the question's asking. How many pieces of bread did he cut? So we need to find the total slices of bread. So number 2, plan. So we have to plan, determine missing or extra information. So if we look back at the problem, it says Rocco is slicing a loaf of Italian bread for dinner. The bread costs $4. He cuts the loaf into slices that are 1 inch thick. If the loaf is 18 inches long, how many pieces of bread did he cut? I'm going to say this sentence here, the bread cost $4. The bread costing $4 is not needed to help us solve because the question is, how many pieces of bread did he cut? So we're going to say the price of $4 is extra because it will not help us solve. And so now, do we have information to solve the problem? He cuts the loaf into slices that are 1 inch thick. If the loaf is 18 inches long, how many pieces of bread did he cut? Yes, we do. Because if the loaf is 18 inches long and we're doing 1 inch slices, we're dividing that 18-inch loaf into 1 inch slices. So we're going to get 18 slices. So we divide length of bread by the thickness of each slice. Number 4, is my answer reasonable? Explain. Yes. I checked my work. Because 1 times 18 equals 18. So you guys have some problems you can do. So go ahead and start on those, and thank you for watching.